Everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your bitmoji on Snapchat. It's pretty easy, and I'm going to show you how you can do it. So bitmojis basically are your avatars that you see on the top left corner, and your friends also can see. Basically everyone can see. It's unique little 3D animation, animated. Actually it used to be 2D but now 3D. Character that you can do fully create. Now how you can change it, I'm going to show you right now. So once you're actually in Snapchat, you're going to go onto the top left corner, which basically is your bitmoji. And when you're in bitmoji, you're not going to find any setting from here actually to change it. You're just going to change the pose and the background and the outfit, but you cannot change the your bitmoji itself. So where you can change is that you're going to go on the top right corner on the settings icon, and then you're going to right under notifications, you're going to find the bitmoji. Now from bitmoji, you're going to find something called edit my bitmoji, and once you click on it, you're going to have all the settings for you to change the bitmoji. So this is basically how you can change your bitmoji, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.